Today I'm joined with Maureen Berzok of TAPinto East Brunswick. Maureen, I'm excited to hear more about Giamarese Farm and all they've been doing for the community.
I'm very pleased to be with you today, Stephanie, and it's a beautiful day here in East Brunswick. Giamarese Farms is an essential part of our suburban community here in East Brunswick. And Jim Giamarese, our town farmer, there are several farms certainly in town, but Jim has been involved with the county farming organizations, the Farmers Against Hunger. He's involved with Rutgers gleaning programs through Cook College, master gardener programs, all which are big things here in Middlesex County. And so we went out to take a look at the farm, see what was growing now, and talk about the idea of starting a victory garden or a small garden in your home or a pot garden, so that during this time we can feel a little bit more about the idea of growing and moving into the future, and maybe practice a little domestic therapy on ourselves and maybe get a little basil out of it too.
Wow, Maureen, it sounds like people can really learn a lot from Giamarese Farms.
Yes, Jim has suggested certain vegetables that were used in victory gardens that could be started in pots, started in window baskets, started in ornamental places in the home, and then moved outside. But it is a way for people to claim a victory over something, unlike the real victory gardens of World War I and World War II. Those gardens really were started for two reasons: to supplement the food industry and to have people eat food at home that they produced rather than taking from the farm, so that those farm foods could go to the soldiers abroad. But a contemporary victory farm has more to do with the pleasure of growing, dealing with what's in season, eating according to the calendar. And that's what Jim Giamarese suggested. And he said almost anybody can grow a tomato, and tomatoes in New Jersey are the best. You know that.
We're known for our tomatoes and for our gardens. If our viewers would like to hear more about the victory gardens and learn more about the farm, where can they go to read the article?
They can go to www.TAPintoEastBrunswick.net or look for TAPinto East Brunswick on Facebook.
Maureen, it's so good to speak with you today. Thank you so much for being here with us.
You're welcome, and it's very nice to be on TAPinto TV. Keep growing.